The 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper arrives as one of the most unusual and ambitious touring machines Honda has ever produced. Blending long-distance electric mobility with a built-in micro-camper, it aims to deliver comfort, stability, and self-contained freedom for riders who want more than a motorcycle but less than a full RV. The first impression is its size. Even by Goldwing standards, the electric Trike camper is imposing. The wider rear track, integrated camping module, and enlarged battery housing give it a footprint closer to a compact car than a touring motorcycle, yet Honda has shaped everything with smooth, flowing lines to avoid a bulky aesthetic. Honda redesigned the electric powertrain for heavy touring demands, using a dual-motor rear drive system rated for strong torque delivery at low speeds. Acceleration is surprisingly brisk for such a massive machine, and the electric motors offer seamless, silent power that fits beautifully with long, scenic rides. Range is always the question for electric tourers. Honda claims up to 260 miles under ideal conditions, but real-world testing suggests something closer to 200 miles when fully loaded. That's respectable for a vehicle with such weight, though serious cross-country travelers will find themselves planning stops carefully. Charging flexibility helps. Fast charging capability allows a 20 to 80% recharge in about 25 minutes under optimal station output, and the camper includes an optional solar assist roof panel that recovers small amounts of energy on sunny days. Handling is where the Trike configuration shines. With two rear wheels and a wider battery casing mounted low, the machine feels planted even at highway speeds. Riders transitioning from two wheels to three will appreciate how stable it feels during tight turns and when maneuvering through campsites. The front end retains Honda's signature double wishbone suspension, delivering exceptional ride comfort. Road imperfections are absorbed with ease, and the suspension geometry reduces diving during braking, an important trait for a vehicle carrying significant mass. Braking performance benefits from regenerative braking layered over large hydraulic discs. The regen system is smooth and progressive, adding range while reducing wear on traditional brake components. The camper module is compact but surprisingly functional. When parked, the rear section unfolds into a sheltered sleeping pod large enough for one adult comfortably or two in a pinch. The system deploys quickly and uses lightweight composite materials to keep mass down. Ventilation inside the sleeping pod is excellent. Honda includes mesh windows, a small active ventilation fan, and insulation layers to help moderate temperature during overnight stays. Storage capacity is a major highlight. The Trike houses multiple lockable compartments, including a deep central trunk and side cases that remain accessible even when the camper is deployed. Together, they rival the carrying volume of small hatchbacks. Honda retained the Goldwing's luxury-focused interior ergonomics. The rider's seat is plush, wide, and supportive for long hours, and the passenger seat, though slightly reshaped to accommodate the camper housing, remains comfortable and secure. The infotainment system receives a new electric touring interface. Riders can monitor energy consumption, solar gain, campsite leveling assistance, and nearby charging locations directly from the large central display. Smartphone integration is fluid, and the audio system delivers the premium sound Goldwing owners expect. Even with the electric powertrain, wind and road noise remain low enough to enjoy music at highway speeds. Ride modes allow customization of throttle response, regenerative braking strength, and suspension behavior. Touring mode offers the smoothest experience, while Eco mode noticeably softens acceleration but maximizes range. Build quality feels exceptional. Panels align cleanly, hinges on the camper system feel sturdy, and the electronics work together without glitches. Honda clearly intended this machine to withstand years of heavy travel. Weight is the Trike's biggest drawback. It is extremely heavy, and while the electric motors mask this in motion, maneuvering it manually or navigating tight, uneven terrain can be challenging. Another limitation is its niche appeal. Riders who want pure motorcycle dynamics may find the Trike format too detached from traditional riding sensations, while RV fans might wish for more interior space. Despite its size, the electric Trike camper remains impressively energy efficient for a vehicle capable of cross-country touring with built-in accommodations. For long-distance adventurers with eco-friendly ambitions, this fusion of mobility and micro-camping is compelling. Pricing is high, pushing it into premium touring RV territory. However, it includes both a luxury motorcycle platform and lodging capability, which softens the sting for riders who would otherwise invest in separate gear. Maintenance needs are minimal thanks to the electric drivetrain. Battery management is handled automatically, and the modular construction makes component access straightforward for technicians. Overall, the 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper is a daring step forward. It merges the spirit of motorcycle touring with the practicality of a compact camper, creating a unique travel platform for riders who value independence, comfort, and the serenity of silent electric travel.